Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your hero or level up your heroes to make them stronger. So I made this video is for the beginner that are new into this game, Dragonheir Silent Gods. So let's get started by tapping the hero icon at the top of your screen. And this is all the heroes that I have, and also you have, maybe you are much more have many heroes than me. So let's get started by leveling up one of the my epic hero here. This is my main hero. Let's tap the upgrade button at the bottom of your screen, and you can use this to upgrade your hero. This is the tiny experience potion, and you can get this, you can obtain this tiny experience potion from the quest and from dungeon goblin lair, and I'm still locked. So you can level it up, this hero and this one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to unlock this 5-star or 5 or even 3-star to unlock this artifact, and also the 4-star to unlock the positive rune and negative rune. So the point is, you have to play more, you have to challenge in the event, also complete the quest to make your hero stronger than before. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, also click the button below. Enjoy the game.